Good morning students, this is DNR. In the previous video sections we discussed that basic proportionality theorem and converse of basic proportionality theorem followed by Pythagoras theorem, next converse of Pythagoras theorem. In this video we are going to discuss areas of similar triangles. So let us have the statement of areas of similar triangles. Theorem statement: the ratio of areas of two similar triangles is equals to the ratio of the squares of their corresponding sides. So it is the given statement for areas of similar triangles. Now what is the given data? Given two triangles ABC and DEF are similar. That is, triangle ABC is similar to triangle DEF. To prove area of triangle ABC by area of triangle DEF, the ratio of areas of two similar triangles is equals to the ratio of the squares of their corresponding sides. See here, we can take the corresponding sides in this way. AB corresponding is DE. So AB square by DE square, or that is equals to BC square. BC corresponding is EF. So EF square, or that is equals to AC square. AC square by DF square. So this is we have to prove. For this we are going to draw the diagram. Triangle A, B, C. This is triangle D, E, F. ABC's triangle is similar to triangle DEF. To construction, to prove about the proof, we have to draw AL perpendicular to BC. Draw perpendicular DM. DM perpendicular to EF. By taking this construction, we can prove this area of triangle ABC by area of triangle DF is equals to squares of the ratio of squares of the any two corresponding sides. Now let us have the proof. Since triangle ABC similar to triangle DEF, we have corresponding angles are equal. If two triangles are similar, they are equiangle. Angles are equal. Angle A is equals to angle D. Angle B is equals to angle E. Angle C is equal to angle F. Corresponding angles are equal and sides must be proportional. AB divided by DE is equals to BC divided by EF, AC divided by DF. This is taken as equation 1. This total data we have to take it as equation 1. Now consider triangles. Now consider triangles ALB and DME. From these two triangles ALB, D We can compare that angle ALB is equals to angle DME, that is equals to each angle is 90 degrees. Each angle is 90 degrees. Next, angle B is equals to angle E. This is from equation 1. By AA criterion of similarity, by AA angle criterion of similarity, triangle ALB is similar to triangle DME. These two triangles are similar. If two triangles we got the similar, now we can take the corresponding sides are proportional. So the corresponding sides are AB divided by DE. AB divided by DE is equals to, in this AL divided by DM. This is taken as equation 2. This is taken as equation. These two triangles similar. If two triangles are similar, the corresponding sides must be proportional. So corresponding sides we are taking from these two triangles. AB divided by DE, one side is equals to AL corresponding is DM. So AL divided by DM. This is equation. From equations 1, 2, we have AB by DE is equals to BC by EF is equals to AC by DF, that is equals to, we got an answer, AL divided by DM. AL divided by DM. This is given as equation 2. Now we have to take ratio of areas of similar triangles. Area of triangle ABC by area of triangle DEF is equals to half into base into height. Similarly, half into base into height, that is equals to half into, in triangle ABC base, in triangle ABC base is BC into height is AL, perpendicular AL, divided by half into, in triangle DF base is EF into height is DM. So half of cancel. Finally we have BC by EF into AL by DM. AL by DM. Now in the place of area of triangle ABC by area of triangle DEF is equals to BC by EF into AL by DM. Now area of triangle ABC by area of triangle DEF is equals to BC by EF into again BC by EF. This is from equation 3. From equation 3 we can take in the place of AL by DM. AL by DM is equals to BC by EF. From this you can take BC square by EF square. We have AB by DE, BC by EF AC by DF. Now ABC square by EF square we got. Therefore AB square by DE square, BC square by EF square, AC square by DF square. Hence area of triangle ABC by area of triangle DEF is equals to AB square by DE square, BC square by EF square, AC square by DF square. Therefore, from this you can say that the ratio of areas of two similar triangles is equals to the ratio of squares of their corresponding sides. Similar triangles, by taking one example, triangle ABC similar to triangle DEF and their areas are respectively 64 centimeters and 121 centimeters square. If EF is equals to 15.4 centimeters, then find BC. Now in this they given three values, two areas and one corresponding side is given. We have to find the fourth value. So solution, given triangle ABC similar to triangle DEF, we have area of triangle ABC by area of triangle DEF is equals to ratio of squares of the corresponding sides. Here corresponding sides are given BC and EF. So we are taking only BC square by EF square. By using this area of similar triangles formula, now we can find the value of BC. Now substitute these values, given values in the formula. Area of triangle ABC, they given that 64 by area of triangle DEF value is given 121, that is equals to here BC value. This one can be written as BC divided by EF value 15.4 whole square. Now 64 by 121 can be written as 8 by 11 whole square, that is equals to BC by 15.4 whole square. Both sides square root gets cancelled. Now we have 8 by 11 is equals to BC divided by 15.4. Now this 15.4 send this side, cross multiplication, 8 by 11 into 15.4, that is equals to BC. So 11 table cancellation, 11 1 years, 11 4 years. So here 32 8 1 8, that is equals to BC. Therefore BC is equals to 11.2 centimeters. In this way, by using this area of similar triangles, total 4 values we have: 1, 2 areas, 2 corresponding sides, 2 areas, 2 corresponding sides, total 4 values. Out of 4 values, they will give in the problem any 3 values: 2 areas, 1 side, or 2 sides, 1 area. We have to find the third area. Example on applications of areas of similar triangles. Here triangle ABC similar to triangle DEF. BC is equal to 3 centimeters, EF is equal to 4 centimeters. These two are corresponding sides are given. Now area of triangle ABC is equal to 54 centimeters. Determine the area of triangle DEF. Now we are going to find area of triangle DEF. How to find? First of all, they given that triangle ABC similar to triangle DEF is given. Two sides are given, corresponding sides. BC 3 centimeters, EF 4 centimeters, and area of one triangle is given. Area of triangle ABC is equals to 54 centimeters. We have to find area of triangle DEF. Question mark. Already we discussed the area of similar triangles. We have total 4 items, 2 sides, 2 areas. Out of these 4 items, they given that only 3 values are given. We have to find the 4th value. Now we know that ratio of areas of 2 similar triangles is equals to ratio of squares of their corresponding sides. So BC by EF whole square. By using this formula, we can find the area of triangle DEF. Substitute the given values in the formula. So area of triangle ABC. ABC area is given 54 by, this is the area of triangle DEF, that is equals to BC by EF 3 by 4. This is 3 by 4 whole square. Therefore 54 by area of triangle DEF is equals to 3 square 9, 4 square 16. Now we want area of triangle PEF. Go for the cross multiplications. Therefore area of triangle DEF is equals to this value, DEF standard side, this value bring this side, it becomes reciprocal, 16 divided by 9. So 9 1 jars, 9 6 jars. Finally 96 centimeter square. So in this way we can find area of triangle DEF. Thank you.